Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Play Store. First, find the Google Play Store icon on your phone or tablet. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tap it to open the application. Make sure your device has a good internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, for a smooth experience. The Play Store will then guide you to the sign-in process. Once the Play Store is open, you will see a prompt to sign in. Enter your Google account email address or the phone number associated with your account. After typing it in, tap the Next button. On the following screen, carefully input your password. It is important to ensure both your email and password are correct to avoid any login issues. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to verify your identity. This could involve entering a 6-digit code sent to your registered phone number or approving a notification on another trusted device. After successful verification, you will need to review and accept the Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. This is a standard step to ensure you understand the usage guidelines. Congratulations! Once you have completed all the steps, you will be successfully logged into the Google Play Store. You will see the main homepage, ready for you to explore. Now you can browse through millions of applications, games, movies, and books. Your Google account is fully linked, providing personalized recommendations and easy access to all your digital content. Enjoy your experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.